Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to crop an image on Canva. So the first step is to add the image, and to do this you can either choose to upload or you can go to Elements, search for photos, and then select the photo that you want to use. So once you found the photo that you want cropped, simply click on it and it will be added onto your canvas. From here, you have two options to access the crop settings. You can click on it, then select Edit Image, then choose Crop, or you can double click on the image and you'll be taken to your crop settings. From here, you can choose different options or different aspect ratios that you want to use. You have the option Freeform, which allows you to decide how you want your image cropped, in what format, in what shape, and it's all up to you. You also have the option of using presets for your image. So you have the 1:1, you have the 16:9, and you have all these different options to choose from. You also have the option of rotating the image just right during the crop. So you can rotate left, right, upside down, whatever it is you'd like. And then you'll notice as you're rotating, you can also adjust the image, so you can move it around so that you can get the crop perfectly right. Then if you're having troubles finding the perfect crop for your image, you have this option labeled Smart Crop. So when you select it, it looks for the perfect way to crop your image. Then you can now just adjust it to your liking. And then once you're finished with your adjustments, click on Done to save and apply the changes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.